Welcome to the MOTOmed tutorial, Setting the Initial Values. The most important settings for free training with the MOTOmed can be reached easily in the home screen by briefly pressing and holding the active training mode. This is the quickest way to get to the Initial Values menu. To set the initial values of the currently inactive training mode, simply select the respective button, arms or legs. To apply your settings permanently, select the Save button. However, if you want to apply the settings only to the current training, select Start Training. You can reset the saved values to the factory settings at any time by selecting the Reset button. Welcome to the MOTOmed tutorial, Activity Detection. In free training, the MOTOmed movement therapy devices always start in passive mode. As soon as an active rotational movement is detected by the MOTOmed, the intelligent motor control automatically switches to active mode, allowing you to train with your own muscle strength against finely adjustable braking resistances. In active mode, training feedback is displayed in green on the screen. If the MOTOmed no longer detects any active rotation, the intelligent motor control automatically switches back to passive mode, and the training feedback turns orange. The sensitivity of the activity detection can be set individually. To do so, select the Settings button on the home screen, and in the following menu on the second page, the button Sensors. If the activity detection is set to Sensitive, this causes a change to active mode after half an active rotation. If set to Normal, the detection takes place after one complete active revolution, and with Insensitive, after 1.5 complete active revolutions.